Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video we will fix this issue with our main camera. So if we move our camera in the upward direction, as you can see, the camera can rotate 360. Okay, we don't want this, so we will be restricting the camera angle. On the camera manager script right here, let's create a public float by the name of minimum pivot angle. This will be equals to -30. Then the next one will be maximum pivot angle, and this will be just 30. Okay, then if we scroll down right here, we will say pivot angle equals to mathf dot clamp. Let's pass the pivot angle, then the minimum pivot angle, and then the maximum pivot angle. Okay, and right here you can also add a comment restricting camera angles. Okay, now if we get back right here and on the camera manager script we have this now. So let's start the game now and see if it works or not. Okay, so as you can see, the pivot angle is 30. You can see it right here. Okay, it doesn't go above 30, and if we move down, as you can see, it doesn't move down then -30. Okay, as you can see, and we will leave the other rotation like this because we want the player to rotate endlessly. Okay, so with this done, let's end this video right here, and in the next one we will be adding camera collision.